To fix the clock app not working properly with the now bar on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, if you cannot control the alarm feature on the now bar, in order to solve this issue, what you can do is you can go to settings. Let me actually start from the beginning. So let's open settings again. There we go. And now in the settings, you should be able to go to notifications. The first thing that you can do is you can go to the hide content while locked. If you have hidden content for notifications, then you will not be able to control the clock app, well, among other apps as well. So essentially, you want to make sure that the content of the clock app is enabled, or for apps in general. If you have visible content, if the content of lock screen notifications is enabled, but you still cannot use the clock app or it doesn't work properly, we can also go to app notifications. Over here, select the clock. First of all, make sure that lock screen notifications are enabled for the clock app, and secondly, make sure that here there is no exception, so it should be pretty much show always, either the default option or the specific show always option. So after that, if we go to the lock screen, the clock app should work just fine. As you can see now, we can see the timer, we can use these buttons, and so on and so forth. Leave a like and subscribe.